Hi, this is Reggie from Resort Plus Physical Therapy. During this time of the year, the new year is coming. One of the common things that I hear from people is, they want to have a New Year's resolution, right? I think that almost everybody hears that. Among the people that I know, patients, family members, friends, a lot of them, when they say New Year's resolution, it comes to my mind like, how many of them do actually get that done? Do they actually continue with that and maintain it and achieve their goal? All right. So most people that I know fail in that aspect, and I want to help you be successful in that. And that's the reason why I'm doing this video. I want to give you a few pointers, a few tips on how to increase your chance in becoming successful in your New Year's resolution. First is, I want to tell you, you have to just make a goal that's realistic. Don't say that, okay, a lot of times I hear people say they want to lose weight, but I don't think it's good to say, hey, I want to lose, 50, 70 pounds. It makes the goal too big. So you have to be realistic. Sometimes you have to be, forgiving to yourself also and be understanding of what you are able to do. All right. So I recommend starting small. Start with a few pounds if that's your goal, or if it's, let's say, to gain weight, be in better shape, being better in sports or something. Start with something small. That way, you'll be able to achieve it faster, and then you can go for the next step. Okay, so be realistic. Start with something small, and then be consistent about it. So what your steps you're taking, be consistent, because a lot of times consistency will be the key. Sometimes actually a lot of times the goal will not be achieved overnight, right? So you start with some small steps and then be consistent until you reach your end goal. Okay, and if, let's say, for example, you don't achieve it, or you fail to achieve that landmark there to go to the next level, don't be too hard on yourself. Don't beat yourself up. Try to be understanding, forgive yourself for that, and then try again. And that's where consistency is, going to play a factor. So you try again and just keep trying. And the next time you learn from the past, and then maybe you'll be able to achieve it on the next time you try. Okay. And once you start making progress, I want you to track your progress, because it's easy to not to be discouraged. Oh, I'm not making that much progress. If you track it, then you'll see, hey, you know what? I'm actually making these small gains. And if you keep adding these small gains, at the end, when you look back like 8 weeks from then, you'll see that, yeah, you actually achieve a lot more than what you thought. So track your progress. And then the last thing that I want you to do there is you have to talk about it. You have to voice it out. And sometimes I tell people you have to claim it, because once you voice it out, you're voicing out to the universe. There's something that happens there. And also, if you don't believe that aspect of it, when you tell your friends and family about it, they'll support you. Everybody needs that moral support. Everybody needs that support for them to continue in trying to progress and keeping track of the progress. Anything, they'll help you with that. Can be moral support, can be physical, can be financial. But once you tell people about it, they tend to hold you accountable. They tend to help you more. All right. So those are a few tips, few things that you can try and do, and hopefully you'll be able to achieve your resolution for next year. And not only in your resolution, anything that you want to change. Hopefully that will help you with your goals. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know what you think about this video. Feel free to comment below, and if you like this video, feel free to share it with your family, friends, and people you know. And you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can follow us on Instagram, or you can like us on our Facebook. All right, and I'll see you on the next video on how to end chronic pain. Bye.